guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Recollection.
Yes.
Opening something very special today.
Yeah.
Special. We're showing.
I think we gotta get more VMAX cards.
There's the one there. VMAX. So everything here should be VMAX.
Every pack
they mustn't lie. Show VMAX, and then inside there they must show common and uncommons. No, we'll send it back. We'll really send it back.
Let's not waste time. Let's open.
Let's go to it. I think opens, somewhere on the side.
You open this side, and you open your side. I'll open my side.
The clever parts begin.
Yes.
Being smart. Being smart.
And compete who's gonna get the most.
Okay, I'll open the one, the 4-pack.
Your side.
My side.
Yes.
Everywhere. I'm everywhere.
My side is this.
I'm everywhere.
Your side is
everywhere. I'm this side, this side. Okay, I'll open this side.
Yeah.
But and this side looks promising. I must say, this side looks promising. I'm working. All sides look promising.
I think I'm gonna win.
You think you're going to win? Let's see.
Let's start with the promo cards.
Let's start with the promo cards.
Where?
You know, when you're opening something you don't know, I think they hid it somewhere. I close it again.
I think it's below there.
Let me just. Oh, they are here. They are here. Look how easy.
Hey.
You know, when you open something you don't know, that's what happens. Okay. I don't want to bend this thing. Okay, I'll start this side with the promo card.
Yes.
That's a promo card. Okay. Put it there, one side. Let's go with the card. Okay, I'll just push it so it doesn't damage
the coin.
I'll put that there. Okay, let's start with the VMAX Crowbat. Many people that think they don't like this one, they prefer the other one. Let's just zoom so we'll see it properly. Promo Crowbat.
It is nice.
It's very nice, beautiful Crowbat VMAX.
It is nice.
The promo.
They prefer the V1.
They prefer the other one. I'll just put it there on the side, and they'll see the other one, the V. The Crowbat V.
I like the VMAX.
The VMAX. Yeah, I think I also like the VMAX. Dark assets. That's the ability. Okay. Very nice. Okay.
Beautiful.
I'll put it there as well, one side. Okay, then let's take out the bigger one.
I think we have a Pikachu or the bigger one also.
Yeah, we have a Pikachu. The big Pikachu.
Promo card.
Yeah. Big promo card, big Pikachu. I'll put it one side. Now let's see that bat.
Don't break.
Okay, there is the bat. The holo, he ho ho hala holo. The bat, okay, it's flying. Okay, let's get on with the packs.
Okay, you take your 4. I will win with my 3.
Now it's like that. You take your 4. I would win with my 3.
Yes.
Now it's like that. Let's see. Who's starting? Me or you?
You with the 4.
Okay. I'll put them here.
Let me give you space.
Here.
So I can beat you properly.
Oh, I'll open one time. Okay. Let's see. Let me start with this one. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
You need it.
I think I need it. Okay, promo card. Put it one side. Okay. Leaf.
Yes.
Okay, let's get on with it. If it was a fire, I would have been happy because it's a shining fate. Shining fate and fire, they tell you something. They really tell you something. Snow, Yama. The EVE.
Shiny. Interesting.
Shiny, eh?
Interesting.
Shiny hollow. Okay, at least a pool.
Wow.
Put it there. First pool.
Boss is order.
Okay, boss. Boss. I'll throw you in a bin, boss. I'll throw you in a bin. Let me go for a show. Let me go for another one. Next one. I wish I find this Charizard.
Good luck.
Then I can slow down.
Like I said, good luck.
Then I can slow down a little bit. Okay. Promo card.
Fire.
I will keep on saying fire because that is what I'm looking for. Fire. I'm looking for fire. Let's get on. Let's get on with it. You know, it started beautifully colorful with the colorful Pokemon. So it looks promising with the trainee. Yeah, training the Charizard and all that. Looks promising.
Let's see.
It's really promising. Yama, Bozo, EVE.
Reverse holo.
This is the reverse. It's a reverse holo. Okay. And then nothing.
Come on, 2 more.
Nothing.
2 more.
First time I'm getting disappointed with the shining fate.
Yay.
It's the first time getting disappointed with the shining fate. Hopefully this time we'll find something. Hopefully. Okay. That's a promo card. What that's
Fire.
The one that is bent like that. It's not a Charizard. Okay. Let's go.
You're trying that
Let's
luck.
go. Snowman's bad luck. Yama is bad luck. Amazing rare.
Yay.
As I've just said.
Okay.
Let's
I
spice
see
up
you.
the luck. Amazing rare. Koi gray.
I see you there.
I'll put it there.
Okay, since we're still gonna compete, who got the most?
I think we have. Oh, I didn't take out the energy.
Yeah, you did it.
Wow. Hey, I need to slow down. Moving
One
too
more,
fast.
last one.
Moving too fast. Last one. No Charizard. It's bad.
Let's see.
Promo card. Let me not forget this energy.
Fire.
Leaf energy. Okay.
Bold eye.
Let's go with the ball guy. The rusted sword, the Luxo, Naked, EVE. That one that's always chewing the chudley. Rusted sword. What are you doing to me?
Let's see behind.
Nothing.
Okay.
What's a disappointing peg? Really disappointing peg.
At least you got something.
But it's very disappointing.
It's my turn.
Oh,
What?
This is why
Are you saying something?
you're holding the Charizards there. That's why.
Are you saying something?
Alright, let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Card.
Put it there. What is it? Fighting.
We're fighting for the Charizard. We want it. You want it, you want the chara. I think I see the smoke.
Me too.
I always see the smoke, but the smoke is not there.
Coffee.
There's no more. That's
Reverse oil.
and then Professor Research. Yo, what a disappointing pack. Yes, very disappointing pack.
Hopefully this one.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's go.
Oh, sorry, this way.
Electricity.
Hope. Addictive hope.
Okay.
Rusted
This
shell.
is shield, is pin rack, grow key. The one that always sleeping there. The one that's looking at the moons, all that.
Ooh. Also got the shiny.
The ultra ray. Mogram.
Okay.
Put it there.
Think nothing.
Wait. What is the Yamega doing in our packs? Hey. Let's try for colors, okay?
Yeah.
Let's try.
Code.
The code card.
Fire.
What card? I don't know, forgot that one. That's the shield. Radom, droppers. Let's go. Let's go. You know, when you see these cards, you see that nothing good. DittoV. The DittoV.
Let's zoom it.
Let's zoom. DittoV. Finally, at last, we came up with something amazing.
I think I won.
You won. I admit.
You admit.
Yeah, Ash Ketchum. Ash, I admit. Wow. DittoV. We'll find the VMAX.
Yeah.
We'll find the DittoV.
Yeah, we must look for VMAX for Ditto.
The DittoV.
Yes.
We'll leave that one immediately.
Okay. Let me see. Yes, these are.
We'll leave this one immediately. The DittoV. Finally. I was very getting disappointed
with this pack.
With this pack. DittoV, guys. Okay. Let's just recap on everything we found so far. These are all the ones that we found.
Especially the V and the VMAX ones.
Yeah. The V and the VMAX.
The gold.
The gold.
The amazing.
The amazing red there. Yes, okay. All these V's. Very nice finds. The VMAX and then Ditto.
Last one.
That's been our journey.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
for subscribing.
That's in our table, this one. Thank you for subscribing.
Yes.
Okay.
For commenting, for liking our videos.
Yes.
Carry on. Yes.
I just want to show the Ditto again.
You like it?
The Ditto.
You really like it?
Yes. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our video.
Thank you
really
so
appreciate. Okay.
Yeah. We see from the next video what we're gonna buy.
What we will be opening.
Yes.
Okay, you never know. Maybe
Maybe you can open that one. You
Could be
never
this
know.
one. Never know. Could be this one. The box, the training box.
Yes.
On our next video.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Please like and subscribe. Okay.
To
Let's find out in the comments below.
That's true.
Whether we should open it or not.
And say what you have found so far.
On these Elite Battle Styles sword shield. Okay.
All right.
Thank
Bye.
you.